Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Stripe account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you delete or remove a customer from your Stripe account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to delete a customer in your Stripe account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, sometimes a customer is going to call and ask why they're getting charged through Stripe. So maybe it's better to go ahead and just delete them from your customer account. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Stripe dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Stripe account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to delete or remove a customer, here on the top left, you're going to click on customers. All right, once you do that, you're going to see all your customers you have in Stripe. So you just want to scroll down until you see the customer you want to delete. So for example, this one right here. And there's actually two different ways you can delete the customer. The first and the easiest way is just click the box next to their name. Once you do that, you're going to see this pop up, delete customer. Another way you can do that is you can click right into their name. Once you click into their name, you're going to click on these three dots here on the top. Then you'll see a drop down menu, and you're just going to click on the red delete. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete a customer from your Stripe account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.